Not a pop.
It's not a
I
pop.
didn't break it.
Totally.
It's not a pop.
My guy. I haven't done a leg workout since high school. You taking pictures of me?
Nope, I'm taking a video.
Oh. Hey, dude. It was like this in West Virginia, though. That's one.
Yeah, this taser too, isn't it?
Nate, how does it feel to have your leggings off?
It's life changing, honestly. See if Ben answers.
He's trying to FaceTime his mom. We're at the top. 20 hours left.
20 hours.
20 hours.
Oh no. This is
Jacob Potter.
It's not, it's just awkward.
Our boy's in a tree.
It's not even that tall.
He's a raccoon.
Raccoon. Rocky raccoon.
I'm such a daredevil.
So terrifying.
I'm not gonna do it.
Exhilarating.
I'm not gonna do it.
And exciting and all that.
Give us a recap.
Yeah, I'd say recap on the day. We were chill. Overall, we were chilling. We took a hike. That was a little bit rough. Had a little bit of a rough time, you know, just getting up and down. I don't really work out my legs as much, so they were both chilling. I was not as much chilling, but got up there, pretty sick views. Just kind of bonded with nature for a little bit, you know. Came back down. Now we're here. Got a guitar for the vibes, and we're just gonna.
Hitsy crap.
Just gonna close out the day. You want to give me a flashlight, maybe?
Yeah, can we give a little flashlight on that?
Oh goodness.
You see? There he is. Oh. Oh, music video question mark?
But yeah, anyways, yeah, we're just kind of trying to close out just a neat capper to a neat day.
We got about 14 hours left.
It's just pretty neat, honestly.
Ayo! I don't know what was wrong with that. Oh, you know what? I have a theory. This thing could have gone wrong.
Just getting cozied up for the night.
Yup. Can you see any of this?
A little bit. Very little.
As long as you can see Jacob's face, we're good.
Yeah.
So glad you guys can come along with us on our journey today.
What would you do without it?
Without the people?
Yeah. Without all 30 people watching this video right
I
now.
wouldn't have come, dude. I would not have
Without
taken this
those
trip.
30 people watching.
Hey, shout out Nate's Instagram. Nate._.Marshall.
Shout out to my Instagram, Snapchat, Gmail, Visco.
Gmail?
I think TikTok.
Yikes.
Shout out
all my other social media platforms, which is just Jacob Potter.
2 O's?
Two O's and Jacob.
Yep.
Pretty easy to find me.
He's gonna cut this out of the video anyways.
It's a little safety.
I was holding on to both the way he was driving.
Yeah, it's sketchy because you don't want to stop. Because right when you stop, that's when you're messed up.
Oh yeah.
Any sharp turns or like going slow.
I noticed you would like wind up for those sharp
You
turns.
have to prepare and like actually put it, because it's a big wheel too. Like it's just, I don't know, it's a lot of work.
Too good.
No AC, no power steering. Having my LaCroix.
I'm honestly gonna pop open a LaCroix.
Yeah,
if you
go
don't
for
mind. I don't have pop, but this isn't a pop.
This
so.
isn't a pop.
Dude, it's not a pop.
It's not.
It's not a
I've
pop.
had-
It's
I've already had
sparkling
one.
water.
I've had one this year.
Yeah. Oh, you have?
Yeah, I've had one.
So you already broke it.
It's not a pop.
It's not a
I
pop.
didn't break it.
Totally.
It's not a pop.
We're definitely gonna show him cracking that open. That's
not
gonna
a pop.
start the
There's
video.
no sugar.
You crack teas open too.
No, but that crack open with the pop and him saying it's not a pop, you may start the video.
You're gonna edit it. It's a pop.
A pop.
It's up here, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, Jacob, can you get inside so we don't freaking die by the bear you just saw?
It was a buddy.
It was a bear.
You said nah. Nah, fam.
Jacob's pulling out the bed.
More space.
Now no light whatsoever.
Oh.
Jacob, what time is it?
7:34.
7:34?
Mm-hmm.
How'd you sleep?
Not great. But I didn't sleep terribly.
I can't even show the camera, Nate, because it's too zoomed in.
My back hurts. And I think I might have slept for 10 minutes. That was my streak at one point, and I was trying to sleep longer than that, but I don't know if I beat it.
Our brakes give out.
The brakes give out.
I'm gonna bring a mask. This
I didn't think we were
fool.
going to McDonald's. I thought we were going to cook pancakes in the morning.
Might be.
Face.
No, I'm gonna order first.
We made it.
Bring it in.
Woo!